More than 20 people from 6 families were rescued safely after a fire broke out an electric vehicle showroom in Indore on Friday morning. The incident triggered panic among residents living in flats above the showroom. The fire was reported around 8 a.m. near Khalsha Chowk in Lasudi area. The EV showroom was located on the ground floor of a mixed-use building, while several families lived on the upper floors. According to officials, the fire started inside the showroom and quickly spread through the premises. Thick smoke soon engulfed the building and entered the residential apartments above. Residents who were asleep woke up to smoke-filled rooms. Many experienced breathing difficulties and rushed to find a way out. However, the main exit route was blocked as flames and smoke rose from the ground floor. With no safe escape route available, several residents became trapped on the upper floors. Panic spread as families called for help from windows and balconies. Hearing the screams, residents of a nearby multi-story building rushed to assist. They immediately arranged ladders and ropes and coordinated efforts to rescue those trapped. The residents were first asked to move to the rooftop and ladders were then connected between the roofs of the two buildings. Ropes were secured to window frames and structural supports to create an emergency escape route. Some of the trapped residents crossed over to the neighboring rooftop using the ladders. Others were carefully brought down with the help of ropes. Police and fire brigade teams soon arrived at the scene and joined the rescue operation. Working together with local residents, they managed to evacuate everyone safely. Officials said more than 20 people were rescued without any injuries. The fire remained confined to the showroom and did not spread to the residential flats. Household belongings inside the apartments were also saved. However, the showroom suffered heavy damage. All electric two-wheelers stored inside the premises were completely destroyed in the blaze. Fire brigade officials said there were no casualties. He said firefighters brought the blaze under control within about an hour. Two water tankers were used to extinguish the fire. No one was injured in the incident, he said. Preliminary investigation indicate that a short circuit may have caused the fire. However, officials said a detailed probe is underway to determine the exact reason. Authorities credited the swift response of local residents, police personnel, and firefighters were preventing a major tragedy. The residential portion of the building remained unaffected. The showroom have suffered extensive losses. Officials are continuing their investigation into the incident. Stay tuned with us for more updates. Do like, comment, share and subscribe the channel.